Editing existing campaigns. Once you've finished creating a campaign, you can adjust the settings or update the contents at any time. To adjust the campaign settings, such as location targeting and bidding options, click the Settings tab within a campaign. To update the contents of a campaign or its name or status, paused, enabled, deleted, navigate to the Campaigns tab. From the Campaigns tab, you can make bulk edits or inline edits. Both editing methods are described below. Editing more than one campaign at a time. Sign in to your AdWords campaign at adwords.google.com. Navigate to the Campaigns tab at the top of the campaign table. You'll see a set of buttons and drop-down menus. Plus New Campaign. Click this button to create a new campaign. Edit. Hover over the item you'd like to edit, including your budget, and make the changes in line. Change status. Select the campaigns you'd like to pause, enable, or delete, and choose the relevant option to the change status drop-down. More actions. This drop-down offers several other options for your campaigns table, including the ability to download campaign source statistics into various formats. Editing inline. This option lets you quickly edit a single campaign's name, status, or budget. Just hover over a table row to highlight it and expose the editable fields. Then just click on a field to edit it. Status drop-down. Click on the drop-down menu next to the campaign name. Select enabled or paused to change the status of your campaign. Name. Click on the pencil icon next to the campaign's name and you'll be able to edit the name right there. If you click directly on the name, you'll actually navigate into the campaign, so you'll end up on the Ad Groups tab for that campaign. Editing campaign settings. Campaign settings are used to define where your ad groups can run, who will see your ads, and how you'll pay for them. Here's how to edit campaign settings. Click Sign in to your AdWords account at adwords.google.com. Click the name of the campaign you want to adjust. On the Settings tab, edit the settings you'd like to change. You'll need to click Save after each change. These are the settings you can edit from the Campaigns tab. Locations. You can target your ads to almost any set of locations, including countries, territory, regions, cities, and custom areas. For example, you could target specific regions within the United States and a few large English-speaking cities in Europe. You can view or edit your targeting options from the Settings tab for your campaign. Languages. When determining where to show your ads, the AdWords system looks at a user's Google interface language, setting it to see if it matches one of the languages that your campaign targets. For example, only users whose Google interface language is Spanish will see ads in a campaign targeted to Spanish. Networks and devices. These settings determine where on the internet and which types of devices your ads will appear on. On Google Search and Search Partners, your ads may appear alongside, above, or below search results as part of the results page as a user navigates through a site's directory, or on other relevant search pages. On the display network, ads are targeted automatically to the content and URL of each page. You can also choose to have your ads appear on desktop and laptop computers, iPhones, and other mobile devices with full internet browsers, or both. Bidding options. Basic bidding options include automatic bidding and manual maximum CPC bidding. With both of these options, your bid is the amount you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. Your bidding option, along with the budget, is one of the ways you control the cost of your ad campaign. Budget. This is the only amount you're comfortable spending on AdWords advertising each day. Once your account is running, you can adjust your budget at any time. And ad scheduling. This lets you specify certain hours or days of the week when you want your ads to appear. You can also adjust bids for your ads during certain time periods. Ad rotation. This selection determines how often we deliver your active ads in relation to one another within an ad group. Optimize, which is the default. The system will favor ads that have a combination of a high click-through rate, CTR, and quality score. These ads will enter the ad auction more often, and your ads will rotate until the ad with the better click-through rate starts to show more frequently. Rotate. Each of your ads will enter the ad auction an approximately equal number of times. Since ads with lower CTRs are then able to show more often, choosing this option might lower your average position and result in fewer relevant clicks. Frequency capping, display network only. This setting limits the number of times your ads appear on the display network to a unique user.